Hi friends, and welcome back to day 2 of Camp Mom Spring Break Edition. Today is Tasty Tuesday, and we started off our day with some really easy bunny shaped pancakes. These were just frozen pancakes that I went ahead and microwaved, and then just used a large spoon to cut out some curves and make some bunny ears and a bow tie out of one pancake.
Okay, you go fast.
Because it's Easter. Spring break. Here, Carter.
What's this?
It's bow tie.
It's a bow tie.
Yeah.
It's a bow tie.
Yeah.
Really? Ah!
His ears fell off.
He's flopping his ears.
Okay. So we're gonna make some brownies. You're gonna make brownies too?
I'm gonna make brownies!
Later in the day, we made some carrot patch brownies that I saw on Pinterest. I'll link that below for you guys. Oh, okay, you ready? And then pull it apart. Good job. And we gotta wash your hands. Don't put them in your mouth. Yuck, yuck, yuck.
I wish I could eat.
All right, Ayla stirs for 10 seconds. Count to 10, guys.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, Carter stirs for 10 seconds. Count to 10.
1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, Camden's turn. We use these candy melts to dip our strawberries in to make them look like carrots, but we added food coloring and that ended up kind of changing the consistency a little bit. What colors do we use to make orange, Carter?
Green.
It says it on the box. Right here. Look. Can you read that?
Orange and
Yellow and...
green.
What's this one?
Red.
Yellow and red.
I want to see how it goes.
Yellow and red.
Oh.
Just like with most of my Camp Mom activities, I like to try and give age-appropriate tasks and questions to each of the kids. So asking kind of what colors would make orange, or counting when we're stirring. Are you playing a drum?
Yeah.
Do-do-do.
Look, everybody, look.
Wow.
It's turning orange. Now it's my turn.
Hold on. So we added that food coloring, and the bag did say that adding liquid would change the consistency, but I didn't read that till after the fact, so it turned into more of like a frosting-like consistency, which was fine. These were just for us, so I just spread it onto the strawberries, sort of like frosting, and then I popped them in the freezer, and we let our brownies cool off. Okay, put 3 in the bag.
3, okay.
No, so go 1, 2, 3.
I want to eat one.
Okay. Pass the bag to Ayla.
What can I eat?
And now take 1 for yourself. Go ahead.
I want to do it. Okay, I should take one.
Alright. In the bag.
Hey, why does this one have flat top?
I don't know. Ayla, put 3 in the bag.
I can't see. What is this? I want a different
Okay,
one.
3 in the bag, Ayla.
Why does it have a little ice?
Alright, now take 1 for yourself and give the bag to Camden. We put Oreos in a bag and just crushed them up so they would look like dirt for our carrot patch. And then I just took some frosting and frosted our brownies too. I just put a thin layer because it's brownies and cookies. Why are you putting dirt on our brownies?
Because it's yummy. Yummy dirt.
Yummy dirt?
Yeah.
Need some help?
It's like a Grinch.
You're a Grinch. Ah! Good job, buddy. Okay, so we have to plant our carrots.
Okay, I'll plant that.
Then we just took our chocolate covered strawberries and popped them into our carrot patch. And we even added some Easter eggs into our carrot patch too, with some Cadbury candy eggs. Did you see one? Just like yesterday, the kids insisted that recess always follows lunch, so we went outside and played before we had some of our brownies. What do you think, Carter? How's a brownie? Thumbs up? How's the carrot? Does it taste like a carrot?
Wait.
Thumbs up?
It kind of looks like a chocolate strawberry.
Yeah, it is a chocolate strawberry, but it's carrot strawberry. Aaron, you still trying to get in your chair?
I want another one after this.
Just one today. Alright, wave under. Say hi.
We're just gonna like take this.
What are we gonna make?
Peep Play-Doh.
And our final activity for Tasty Tuesday was to make some peep Play-Doh. So what we did here was take 5 peeps and put them each in a microwavable safe bowl. And to that, we added 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar or confectioner sugar.
Five little ducks went swimming.
Don't play with it, Ava.
What was the song?
That's it. 5 little ducks went swimming one day.
Swimming one day, swimming
Over the hill and far away. Mother
Duck
duck said,
quack, quack, quack.
Ava, are you eating?
And only 4 ducks came back.
Another song break, just like yesterday. And then we are adding a half a tablespoon of coconut oil. You could use a vegetable shortening here too. So we are adding that to each of our bowls. Again, I will link the pin that inspired me for this down in the description box. All right, now what do we have to do? What are we doing with the beets? What did I say?
Blow them up.
We're gonna blow them up in the microwave for 20 seconds.
Wait, is you supposed to do that?
Yeah, Ayla, please stop touching that.
You're supposed to blow them
Let
up?
me see.
Peeps are supposed to blow up?
Yeah. So we put each bowl in the microwave for 20 seconds and watched the peeps expand. And then we went ahead and mixed those bowls up. So you want to mix the marshmallow in with the confectioner sugar and the coconut oil until it makes kind of like a dough consistency. So it said if you wanted to add some color, you could do it now. But wait. I have a question. What do we think yellow and blue make?
I don't know. Orange?
Okay, Camden says orange, yellow and blue make orange.
No,
Carter.
wait.
Shh. Carter, what's your guess?
Wait, I don't guess so.
Alright, guys.
I'm looking for it.
What's your
Where's the box?
What's your hypothesis? I hid the box.
Ready?
Yeah. Carter, quick, because I gotta add it.
So I guess blue and green.
You think green?
Yeah.
What about you, Ayla? What do you think?
I think pink. It's purple.
You're gonna say purple? The pin that I read said that you could add food coloring during this part too. They added kind of the same colors. We changed it up. All that sugar.
Green. I was right.
Yeah, it's turning green.
I was right.
So again, you could add yellow to this to make the color more vibrant, but we made it green. And then if it is still too sticky, you can add some more powdered sugar into it until it stops sticking to your hands, and you're just kind of kneading it until it turns into sort of a Play-Doh. The powdered sugar makes it less sticky.
Oh, that's not real sticky now. Not that sticky now.
It's warm too, huh?
It's warm. Oh, it's warm. I have a shrimp. I have a shrimp. I say shrimp in it. What you doing, Ada? Are you licking some powdered sugar? What's this?
Carter's gonna be brave and he wants to eat it. Just take a little bite. What do you think?
I'll try some. Wait. Hey,
Here, you get one green ball and one yellow ball.
I'm just gonna like the yellow one. Real yummy. I don't want to touch it.
No?
I'll touch it.
Where?
I'm fine. I'll touch it. I'll touch it.
Touch it. What's it feel like?
Feels like peeps. It feels like slime. I don't want to see yellow. I just want to taste this green. Yum.
You want a green one?
Like, ew! I made a pie. Okay. I made a pie. Get off me. I made a pie with a little eye. That's so
Sticky! You can roll it on the table like Play-Doh, Ava.
Okay,
Little ball.
play with me.
And then you can kind of play with it just like Play-Doh. So Camden grabbed a pencil and rolled it out, and that worked too. They had a lot of fun with this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, you can find more here. Make sure you check out yesterday's Camp Mom Spring Bake video too, and make sure you subscribe so you can see all of our Camp Mom videos all week long. Give it a big thumbs up and let me know down in the comments what was your favorite activity that we did today. Bye, guys.